One of my most asked questions on here is, how do I clean my garbage disposal? Well, let's do it. This one was a little extra gross, so I'm going to knock these teeth loose with a flathead and a hammer, run some water, and then run some dish soap through it. But we are not done. That's just the start. You guys have convinced me. I'll admit it. The ice method does work. You can see how dirty it still is with the soap. Let's throw some ice in there. And look at that beautiful slosh of grease and ice and water. It's a masterpiece. Let's slow it down here, see how it looks. And you remember how it looked before? Yeah, it does not look like that anymore. Is it perfect? No, but it's a garbage disposal. It cleans up some nasty stuff. File for more DIY homeowner and plumbing tips.